What's up, y'all? We're back. Today I'm going to film for you guys these mega volumes, but I'm actually gonna be using the iLEVEL lab because my Yegis are on pre-order. I just ordered them to use the iLEVEL lab, and it's also really good because they are a great product, and I want you guys just to see that even if you can't get a hold of the Yegis, that there are something similar out there that I think you guys will love to really work with as well. If you haven't already watched my last video, go check it out because that's gonna show you guys what products that I am using. That way you guys know already what I'm using as far as all my other steps go, so I can just show you guys what I'm doing when I apply, how to work with the lashes properly, how to fan them out when they're not really fanning how you like them. So check out my last video so you guys know what products I'm using. I do recommend all of those products. They're great. I stick with them. If you have questions on the application process, please comment and let me know so I can help you guys a little bit more. I love both these products. So yeah, I'm super excited. Okay, so we are gonna start with the Mega Volume. This is Yegi and this is iLEVEL, so I'm gonna show the difference in them. We're gonna do 13s here to here and then 15s here to here. All right, so isolation is super important. And then you just drop it on top. Again, these are the Yegis. And I'm gonna show you guys the difference between Yegi here and iLEVEL up here. And they're super similar products. And we just dip and then again isolate and drop it right on top. If you get a lash that like doesn't work good, just drop it and get a new one. Isolate and drop it right on top, just like that. So she's gonna have Yegis on her outside and then iLEVEL on her inside. Lift and dip, and if your base comes off a little bit, when you dip it, it'll bond right together. So we're gonna do this throughout her whole eye. Okay, so this is the final look. We did the Yegis here and then the iLEVEL here. You can't really tell the difference. And then we're gonna go in with the Lash Sealant. Okay. And I just dip it in and then just place it at the base of the lash. This is gonna seal your glue and give you better retination. Do that. Blow dry them. And then take your nano mister and just mist. That's it.